Hello guys, here's my laptop that I use next to my gaming PC, and I was just wondering how to fix one minor problem with this thing. Yeah, let's see here. The screen here has a nice, crack, looks pretty nice. It's fun to touch. Bad to touch for your screen, and then a nice little burn mark here. And then I figured, why not buy a second model of my original monitor and hook up a nice VGA cord, which I didn't know it had. I was like, whoa, I could totally do that. And I got it back, because I'm too cheap to replace the monitor that's there and buy a whole nother monitor for no subtle reason. But yeah, this little Battlefield 3 background. It's not really built for gaming, but it handles. It handles. Not really. And yeah. Yep. Oh, back to playing Battlefield.